something in your eyes, but I don't know why. You don't smile, you don't call my name. Feels like you're here, but you ain't the same. I sit alone, just wondering how the love we had feels so gone now. You're walking through them open fields, but left my heart with no time to heal. Where did the love go, girl? Where did it hide? You slipped away like the midnight tide. You dressed up fine, went out last night, but left me cold in the morning light. Something changed here deep inside. Used to be we, now it's just I. The silence grows with every day, like a song that fades but won't quite play. I won't say goodbye, not just yet, but your shadow's all that I've got left. If love can vanish just like smoke, then tell me, girl, was it ever woke? Well, where did the love go? Where's your flame? You walked on out, left me in pain. Now I'm singing blues with a tear in my soul, trying to find what your silence stole. Where did the love go? Where's your flame? You walked on out, left me in pain. Now I'm singing blues with a tear in my soul, trying to find what your silence stole.